that's no fun. There we go, I can work with that. And big old limb stuck. We'd freed that up just around the bend. Now it's stuck here in the rocks. Well, I can fix that. There's the before. It's a pretty good after.